lane to merge onto. Quick stop over. 2 more hours love. We got this.
My favorite.
This.
I forgot my wallet and then box. I go get this one.
Salad siya.
Crunchy at the outside.
We're near. We're here. Nice. Let's go. We have to drive to the tent. Okay, so a quick camping tent tour. I'll put the price here. I think we paid around 400 plus for 2 nights and 3 days. So may parang excuse our things. Outside table.
There's a koinogori, guys. Koinogori!
May lutuan ka na rin dyan. And you have your dining table there. And my bunk bed. May kasama na ring pillows and kumot, which is really good. May towels pa. What we brought our own. Just in case, kasi hindi namin sure kung meron ba. And this is your kitchen here. May fridge ka na. And all the things you need. May TV ka pa. Rubbish bin. Plates. May mugs doon. And you have your queen bed over here. That's it. And nandun na yung beach. Nasa likod banda yung pool. But we'll roam around later. I love it. Has recently shed her skin and opened.
To the reception because we're going to the hot tub and later we're going to the sauna.
Yeah. And we need to pick up the keys because you have to book in advance.
Yeah.
You have to pay for it. I think
Wait.
$30 for
Oh, I'm an advanced.
45 minutes.
I'm an advanced swimming class. It's perfect. Advanced keys. Advanced swimming class. See you guys later at the reception.
Sakto yung camping namin kasi konti lang yung nagka-camp. So hindi siya puno. They have water slides there, so there are 2, I think. I'll try that tomorrow. They have a cafe as well, and from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. and then 4 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Nice. That's the sauna. Ito may timer siya. And you have that one there, and you have that view over there. And yeah, that's the seat. See you guys later.
Guys, we're done in the sauna. It was really hot for me. How about you?
It was really good for me.
Really hot for me. I'm gonna Google, how is sauna good for your body? Like, you Google that. I don't know. Just comment down below what it means, and then we'll check. So we're giving back our towels because it's actually the receptions and the keys. There's one key for the hot tub, one key for the sauna, and one key for the hot tub, one key for the sauna, and then and then we're going to the pool. So see you guys later. Okay guys, now we're here at the pool. I know it's still far, but we're walking and walking. So see you guys later. We're first going to the reception. I'm really hot after the sauna, guys. Really hot. A ferry. It looks like a ferry bed because you can sleep in it. You look at me. Nana?
言っただろ、天地そのものが私の自我なんだ。私と
Yum.